Today date second, 9 month 2020, subject pattern, class 7. Good morning my dear students, class 7. We have missed so many days. After a long gap, I'm back to our YouTube class once again. I hope you all are fine, owing to your parents, doing your work, doing your studies nicely, and having healthy food. So please don't roam here and there, as we know that virus spreads all over Sikkim. So take precaution, stay home safe, and do your studies well. So let us start our chapter today. So last time I was teaching grammar chapter. Today also I will go through it, grammar itself. Today, Lobsen Guba. Those are books you can turn on the page number 39. Those who don't have books, I'll just click this chapter and send it to your WhatsApp group. From there you can learn something, okay? And you can watch in this class, YouTube class. Tsikte Shingsok. Topic is Tsikte Shingsok. Tsikte Shingsok. Lekshi Jenwang. From the Lekshi Jenwang, you have to learn this main root of Tsikte Shingsok. What do you mean by Tsikte Shingsok? In this main root from the Lekshi Jenwang, as I am telling you all this, the Lekshi Jenwang is the name of a Tibetan grammar book. From this book, the main root are as follows. Tsikte Shingsok Nganama Ha Rala Thami Thar Shinshi Shio Shenam Shik Kata Padang Jakar Thar Jinchi Jio Jena Jik Sadar Mixel Shema To Shinshi Shio Shena To Jeba Tar. So once again I'll repeat it. Tsikte Shingsok Nganama Tsikte Shingsok Nganama Hatang Rala Thami Thar Hatang Rala Thami Thar Shinshi Shio Shena Shik Shinshi Shio Shena Shik Kata Padang Tata Tar Kata Padang Tata Tar Jingji Jio Jena Jik Jingji Jio Jena Jik Sadar Mixel Shema To Sadar Mixel Shema To Sadar Mixel Shema To Shinshi Shio Shena To Shinshi Shio Shena To. So this is the main tower from the Lekshi Jenwang. So let us learn the definition. What does it mean? Jepataras, as said in this main tower root from the Lekshi Jenwang book of the grammar. Tsikte Shingsok Te Shin Chi Shio Shena Shikje Tsikte Ngaba Jenju Ngata Na Ma Ha Ra La Jenju Maybe Jesu Jar Gyoba Tang. Okay. So here now there are 5 main points of Tsikte. They are Shin She She Hu She Na Shik. Shin She She Hu She Na Shik. Shin She She Hu She Na Shik. These are the main 5 points of the Tsikte. So what we have to do is, if the Jenju is Na, Na, Ma, Ha, Ra, La. If the Jenju is Na, Na, Ma, Ha, Ra, La. Jenju, there are 10 Jenju, no? We all know that there are 10 Jenju. From among the 10 Jenju, if the Jenju is Na, Na, Ma, Ha, Ra, La. So, and Tata means if there is no Jenju, Jenju Khatang, Tha, Pa, Yangju, Jenju be Jesu, Jargus. If the Jenju ends with this, Na, Na, Ma, Ha, Ra, La, so what you have to use is, you can use Shin or She, Shehu, Shena, Shik. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the main 5 points of Tsikte. If the Jenju ends with Na, Na, Ma, Ha, Ra, La, you can use Shin, She, Sheo, Shena, Shik. Any words you can use. As we learned that in the Tsikte Sawa, main root, Tsikte Shingso Nga Na Ma, Tsikte Shingso Nga Na Ma, then ha tang ra la thami thar, ha tang ra la thami thar. They are there. We can use xing xie xie wu xie na xik. If the Jeju ends with this, you can use these words. In Zhao only, it is very clear. Jingji jiu jena jik ngapu Jeju ka tang again. Now, if the Jeju is ka 다양주 okay, 다양주 wait. If the Jeju is ka, so here we can use xing, jing, ji, ji, wu, ji, na, jik. Here we can use jing, ji, ji, wu, shi, jing, ji, ji, wu, jing, ji, ji, wu, jie, na, jik. Jing, ji, ji, wu, jie, na, jik. If the Jeju ends with ka, ta, and pa, okay? Here, if the Jeju ends with nga, na, ma, ha, ra, la, you can use xing, xi, xi, wu, xie, nam, xik. If the Jeju ends with ka, ta, pa, we have to use jing, ji, ji, wu, jie, na, jik. As in Java, it is written there, jing, ji, ji, wu. If the Jeju is ka, ta, pa, means dayangjuk. Dayangjuk, there are two yangjuk times. Here you can add dayangjuk also, which I am writing with white chalk. This is dayangjuk. If the Jeju, if there is dayangjuk also, you can use jing, ji, ji, wu, jie, na, jik. As we learned in Java, ka, ta, pa, dayangjuk. There you can use jing, ji, ji, wu, jie, na, jik. Jing, ji, ji, wu, jie, na, jik. yuanyang miselgi sai tar xing xie mi jar wara je ge ba wo. Okay. Yangju gi jesu jar ge. xing xie 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 na ji xie gu sai tar jar ge. If the Jeju is sa. If the Jeju is sa. Here what you have to use is here you can use number 1 xing, number 2 chick, number 3 xiu, number 4 xiena, xing xiu, xiena. Okay, here you can use only 4. If the Jeju end with sa, here you can use xing, shik, xiu, xiena. Okay, as we have learned in Java, sa tar mixer xiema goes. If the Jeju is sa, then you can use the words xing, xi, xiu, xiena, to, xing, xi, xiu. Only 4 words we can add. According to the, so we have to follow according to the Jeju. If the Jeju is nga, na, ma, ra, la, you can use xing, xi, xiu, xiena, xik. If the Jeju is ka, ta, pa, and dayangju, there you can use jing, ji, ji, wu, jie, na, jik. If the Jeju is sa, xing, xi, xiu. Only 4. Okay? xing, xi, xiu, xie, jar, gyoba, ins. 되니 뒤바당 3절과 식된셀제 죽뒤바 지신된바 꿀외된 맨외된 담배게된 제라 juice. So these words we can use it 3절과 means to stop the sentence, 식된셀과 to complete the sentence, 죽뒤바 end of the sentence, 지젠된바 to ask questions, 꿀외된 to tell something, to do work, 맨외된 to scold someone, 담배게된 제라주, 담배게된 is to give advice. Okay, all these words we can use in such a words. So there are examples. Let us learn. There are some examples. 식대신소 민탈 자수기 샹슬 류믹 nang kyojin ye. So according to the Jianju, how I have done here, it is there in the box itself. If the Jianju is ngana mara hata kami, you can use shinji shio chena shi. If the Jianju is kata bada pada, you can add shinji shio chena jik. If the Jianju is sa mixer ki she shinji shio shena. Thank you, Joshua. So where we have to use the words 싱, 찡, 싱숨, 촉지도 뒤바가지고. If there is 싱, 찡, and 싱, this type of sentence means 촉지도 뒤바 means to conclude in one sentence. Example: 대신 기. I'm very happy and peace. 대신 is there, no? 대신 기. Then 양심요. It is very warm. 딱징제스. I have noticed that. Okay, it concludes in one word. Lakwa jamsin yes. Jam. Shing. Lakwa jamsin yes. Your hand is very soft. Gashin cues. Feel very happy. Chumarsin gukba. I was waiting for water. Jixing tak. I feel very scared. I feel afraid. Jixing tak. Tafu. This type of words we can use shin. So number 참절화 주관이. How we can use in 참절화? I told you that there are 대기절화, 참절화. Many sentences we can use this. Then 참절화 주관이 베나 최징 설와 담. If you cannot understand, ask. 람각징 탁송 chase. Block the road. mikchu 당신 러규시에. Cry and tell your story. 남따르 퇴징 모살기. When I hear the story, I feel very sad. That is known as 삼절 플라치. 시해당 제이 민당 직된 세제라 주관 빼나 카빈 퇴제굴. Open your mouth and tell. Labdu Georgie says. Explain with your expression. For the song, she says, fly and went away. Very Shebani, Ninji Den, Tibetans are very good person. Shengi Vitok, Je Taksu, others cannot do this word. Tabu. Sheo, now how you have to use Sheo. Okay? Sheo. Where we can use Sheo. Pera Muduk Jung Sheo. I got blessings. Muduk means blessings. Sheo. Kandi Zel Cheos. You can do whatever you want. Che Cheos. Give me the preaching. Pelshing Ge Cheos. It spreads all over the world. Pelshings. Now where you have to use Shena. Okay? Chena Sumni, Shinde Marjunana, Pena, Kana Ye Chena, where is it? Kana Ye Chena, Kanu Juk Chena, where we have to use? Juje Chi in Shenas, what do we mean? Surayang Shenas, to whom I have to tell? Namshi Ni Shenas, when I have to tell? Te Kanki Sui Shenas, with what it is made of. Tabu. Now where you have to do Shing Chik Shik. Kulgi telaju barbenas. These words we can add for giving order or giving someone to do some work. Shingen teji. Tenjing, you show me that. Nesu, Songshik, you go there. Lega Dagirin, Jeshi, you do your work yourself. Chu, Korjiks, you go and get the blessings. Dintu, Nyershik, catch with your hand, keep in front of you. Tavu, this type of sentences are there. Menpigi tenla jukbar pena, lami kogwang top gyurchi, menpigi tenla, how we have to use, lami kogwang top gyurchi. Lord Buddha done meditation and became a Buddha. Dungal gyatso rapkim shakes. Unhappiness comes me like oceans. Longje Jaso tar geshings. Properties are like oceans coming to me. Dambigi dela jukbar pena, where you have to do dambigi damagi jukbarna. Pavsan jukbar majichis. You cannot do that work. Dama means giving advice. You cannot do that work. Rangi manyenshis. You should not do it yourself. Go to money sheiks. You don't come first. This is the advice or not giving permission. Nyezungi tela jukbar pena, nyezung means to show. Minshik, who are you? Lukchik, what are you doing? Lishi, where are you? Tabu, this type of sentences are there. So, this is the Sikte Shingsok, where we have to use Sikte Shingsok, means according to the Jenju, where we have to use Shingshi Shio Shenam Shik and Shingshi Shio Shenam Shik and Shingshi Shio Shenam Shiks. So, if you have any problem with your chapter, you can just send me a message so I can explain again nicely with you. So question answers I will mark and send it to you. Master column is there. I will mark and send it to you. Sumpa Pejari, you can only to do that. Shipa Pakong. That fill in the blanks you do it yourself. Fill in the blanks you do it yourself. Where you have to put Shingshi Shio according to the Jenju, according to the look at the Jenju, and where you have to put this Shingshi Shio Shenam Shik, that you have to do it yourself. I will click photo and I will send it to your WhatsApp group in your class group. Okay? Till then, stay home safe, do your studies well. Always be busy with your books. The years ends because it is already 9 months. Now, third term is coming very near. The examination, you have to do your exam. Okay? Till then, be safe, stay home safe. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.